I want to do a part 2 to the video that I posted earlier today about the person who's asking an attorney to help commit fraud by transferring real estate from their parents to them so he can take equity out of the property without them finding out. That video is linked below. But I want to talk about some ways on how the parents would find out that their child is doing something with their real estate. And this requires a couple things, right? For the folks, for the parents to have capacity. What does that mean? They know what's going on. They know their names. They know their kids' names. They can conduct business just like anybody else. It also means that they're paying attention, like they're looking at the mail. But here are some ways that mom and dad would find out that their kid was doing something with their real estate. And this goes for anybody. If you get these types of notices, I mean, something's happening with your real estate. The first is that you're going to get the first thing that you're going to get is unsolicited mail from people asking you if you would like to order a certified copy of your deed. Surefire way that the reason why you're getting that mailing is because someone scraped public records, found that there was a deed transfer, and now they want to solicit your business to get a copy of the deed that was just recorded. First of all, just trash it. You don't need to pay some third-party service. But if you're getting that and you didn't just buy your home or refinance your home, there is something happening with your title and you need to investigate further. So if you get that letter and you haven't already just purchased your home or you refinanced it, P.S., you don't need this shit. Please just don't buy this. But if you haven't bought or refinanced recently, that is a red flag that something has happened with your real estate that you might not know about. If that's the case, reach out to an attorney to help you figure out what just happened. The second way is that you're going to get notified from the county. And there's a couple reasons why. Depending on how this deed that the kid transferred, if he filed all of the right paperwork, they're going to the county assessor's office, the one who's responsible for assessing your property taxes, may send you a notice of a special reassessment. They're called supplemental property taxes in California that says, oh, there was a transfer of real estate. We're going to reassess your property. And this, if you haven't just sold the property and you're not the new buyer of this home, you getting a special assessment could be a warning sign that something just happened to your real estate that you don't know about. So that's another good way to figure out what the heck just happened. The other one, especially if the kid filed a form and then checked the box for parent-to-child transfer, the county will then send you, if they didn't fill out all this other paperwork, the parent-child transfer exemption form. We actually have to apply to preserve your property tax basis. If you haven't done this, you don't know that this is happening, you getting that letter from the county, that is legit the only reason you're ever going to get it, is that if there was a transfer from you to your kid and there was a box checked on another form. So one of those ways, that's how one of those three ways. You get unsolicited mail to get a copy of your deed. You get a notification from the county's assessor office that you're being reassessed, or all three of these things. You get a notice from the assessor's office about a parent-child transfer exclusion. Those are three ways that mom and dad are going to find out that something's going on with their real estate because this kid is doing something. So I just wanted to say, he's not living in a vacuum. This person's not living in a vacuum. There are ways for you to find out what's going on with your real estate. And if you ever just need confirmation, do I actually own the home that I think I own? Or is it titled in my trust? Or how is this thing titled? Just give us a call. Our phone numbers are in the bios. You can find it on the website. We're here to help. But, I mean, that kid, he's going to have a real hard time pulling this one off. But stay aware. Pay attention to the mail that you're getting. Pay attention to your stupid kids if they start, getting weird and, asking you goofy questions like that. Just take a beat. Make sure they don't do anything dumb. Good luck.